Hi YouTube. I just got a new multi-tool in at dmknifeshop.com. I think you're going to like it. This is Leatherman Squirt P4. Storm Gray handle scales. This is brand new. I don't have the box for it, but it is brand new. Show you what it's got. Pliers. They're not heavy duty, but they are very strong for their size. Yeah, perfect for lots of everyday tasks. That's all that's on the inside. Alright, when it's closed, you can access all the other tools without opening it. We have knife blade. We have a little leather punch, pointed blade. We have a little tiny jeweler's screwdriver. Okay. Over here, the big blade is a file. It's a wood file on one side and a metal file on the other. Yeah. Okay. Also, on the same side as the file, we have a flat Phillips screwdriver. It works for screws of different sizes if they're not in really tight. And let's face it, this little tool is not for heavy duty work, but it will get the job done a lot of times. A big screwdriver and bottle opener. Alright, very handy little tool. And it is exactly what I carry every day. Squirt P4 Leatherman. Mine is red, and it's got some scratches on it. But this one is Storm Gray, brand new, no scratches, never been carried or used. If you want a high quality pocket or keychain multi-tool, this is it. Highly recommended. Check it out at dmknifeshop.com. Thanks for watching. Peace.